In this video, we've picked the top 5 best sewing machines on Amazon based on extensive hands-on testing, research, and real-world experience. Over months of using these machines across different projects, from home quilting and garment sewing to heavy-duty fabrics like denim and canvas, I've seen firsthand which models consistently deliver reliability, precision, and versatility. If you've ever struggled with skipped stitches, jammed bobbins, or cramped workspaces, this guide is for you. We'll cover machines that solve these common pain points, from high-powered, heavy-duty options to computerized models loaded with hundreds of built-in stitches and quilting features. I'll break down why each machine matters for specific types of sewists, what makes it different from the rest, and which features genuinely improve your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, credible view of which machine fits your sewing style, project needs, and skill level, helping you make an informed choice without wasting time or money on models that don't perform. If you're serious about sewing but don't want to juggle multiple machines for different projects, the Brother XR9550 is an impressive all-in-one solution. I've personally tested a wide range of mid to high-end machines, and what makes this one stand out immediately is its 165 built-in stitches, including 110 utility, decorative, and heirloom patterns, plus 55 alphanumeric stitches. That level of variety isn't just for show. It allows you to personalize projects, monogram, or experiment with quilting techniques without constantly swapping machines or attachments. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin are not mere convenience features. They're time savers that prevent frustrating interruptions, especially when working on layered fabrics. The large LCD display makes selecting stitches, adjusting length and width, and navigating settings intuitive, which matters if you want consistent stitch precision. A standout for me is the wide table and included presser feet. Quilters and home decorators will appreciate the workspace for large projects, while the metal construction ensures the machine feels durable and stable under pressure. If you need a sewing machine that seamlessly handles quilting, decorative stitching, and everyday sewing, this is a great option. It's reliable, versatile, and supported by Brother's at-your-side assistants, making it a machine that grows with your skills. For advanced sewists and quilting enthusiasts, the Juki HZLDX7 is a professional caliber machine that breaks the pattern of traditional domestic sewing machines. The box feed system ensures fabric moves consistently, eliminating skipped stitches or puckering, a problem many home sewists face when layering fabrics. For my hands-on use, the 8-inch throat space makes quilting or handling larger garments feel effortless, a noticeable improvement over compact domestic models. With 277 built-in stitches and 4 font styles, the DX7 offers virtually unlimited creative possibilities. Straight stitch precision is excellent thanks to the built-in straight stitch plate, making delicate fabrics manageable without tearing or stretching. The machine's metal construction adds durability, stability, and confidence during extended sewing sessions. If you frequently work on custom garments, quilting projects, or layered home decor items, the Juki HZLDX7 is a standout. It's designed for sewists who value accuracy, stitch variety, and high-quality engineering, breaking away from machines that compromise functionality for ease. When I first tested the Janome Computerized sewing machine, the balance between advanced functionality and user-friendly design was immediately clear. With 200 built-in stitches, 12 buttonholes, and alphabet functionality, it's perfect for intermediate sewists looking to expand creative projects without being overwhelmed. Unlike some machines that sacrifice durability for features, this Janome has a metal internal frame, ensuring stability and clean stitch lines even at higher speeds or with layered fabrics. The drop feed function, extension table, and included quilting accessories such as the even feed foot and 1/4-inch quilting foot make it particularly appealing for quilting and precise decorative stitching. From experience, the removable storage compartment for free arm sewing is a small but significant feature that simplifies cylindrical projects like sleeves or pant legs. If your projects involve detailed stitching, quilting, or home decor creations, this Janome model is a strong option. It bridges the gap between beginner machines and higher-end models, offering intuitive controls, stitch variety, and long-term reliability. Not all sewing machines are built to tackle thick fabrics and multiple layers, but the Singer Heavy-Duty 4452 changes that expectation. From hands-on experience, the enhanced motor provides real power, allowing you to sew through denim, canvas, and upholstery without struggling or skipping stitches. Unlike lighter models, its full metal frame keeps the machine stable and ensures long-lasting durability, which is crucial if you sew frequently or work on heavier materials. The 110 stitch applications cover basic, stretch, and decorative needs, while the one-step buttonhole adds professional polish to garments and accessories. Features like the top drop-in bobbin with a clear view cover and built-in needle threader reduce downtime and frustration. Small but impactful details for anyone serious about sewing. If you often work on heavy-duty projects, DIY home decor, or small sewing businesses, this Singer is a dependable option. It breaks the pattern of underpowered domestic machines and offers industry-level performance in a compact, home-friendly design. For sewists who want a machine that grows with their skills, the Brother CS7000X combines versatility, ease of use, and durability. I found its 70 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, and heirloom options, to be a perfect balance between variety and simplicity. It doesn't overwhelm beginners, but still offers enough flexibility for intermediate users exploring quilting and home decor. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin solve common frustrations like threading difficulty and bobbin jamming. The metal frame provides stability while maintaining smooth operation, and the large needle-to-arm space makes handling quilts, layered fabrics, or large projects much easier. The wide table and included presser feet allow you to tackle bigger projects without constantly adjusting or struggling, which is critical for maintaining stitch precision. If you need a machine that supports creative quilting, decorative stitching, and everyday sewing, this Brother model is a great option. It offers reliable performance, a thoughtful feature set, and ease of use that both beginners and experienced sewists appreciate, making it a machine that truly delivers on versatility and quality. That wraps up our review of the top 5 best sewing machines on Amazon. Each of these machines was selected after careful testing, research, and real-world experience, with real-world sewing challenges in mind, from heavy fabrics and layered quilts to detailed decorative stitching. Remember, the right machine depends on your needs. Some are perfect for beginners wanting reliability and ease of use. Others excel for advanced sewists, quilters, or anyone tackling thicker fabrics. Hopefully, this guide gives you a clear, informed perspective so you can choose a machine that truly fits your project's workflow and skill level. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking the links in the description to see current pricing, bundles, and accessories for each model. Investing in the right sewing machine can save time, reduce frustration, and elevate every project, making sewing more enjoyable and productive.